or people.
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent has asserted that the party would do well in Garo Hills region in the upcoming assembly polls. He said that the fight in Garo Hills will be mainly between NPP and Congress, while adding in some seats there will be a fight between Congress and TMC. Earlier, Pala said that he is not sure if seasoned politician Dr. Mukul Sangma will be happy to be in TMC as they work with a different approach. It may be mentioned that Garo Hills region is set to witness a multi-cornered battle with parties like BJP, Congress, TMC and NPP going all out to win major or the 24 seats there.
From our friends from Garo Hills and all, I think the fight in Garo Hills is mainly between the NPP and the Congress, except in certain areas, of course, like Trinamool also will be there, because they are Trinamool just now. They were in the Congress only, so they have taken quite a few people from the Congress. So only when we have a proper candidates, we are going to announce the candidates very soon when